Monopoly Go price drop strategy. So to start up, to optimize your chances in Monopoly Go's PEGI price drop, focus on saving a large number of tokens, about 200 to 500, before playing and using a high multiplier of 20 to 30. Prioritize hitting bumpers, especially the ones above the slots, to maximize dice and token collection. Consider saving tokens until the final day to ensure you're chasing the best possible rewards. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Number 1. Token accumulation. Participate in events and tournaments to earn PEGI tokens. Look for events that offer token rewards and aim to reach their milestones. Complete quick wins, especially those that reward PEGI tokens. Check the shop for free token bundles, which are usually available every 8 hours. Higher multipliers. So you want to focus on several strategies for playing, such as high multipliers. Use higher multipliers to maximize the points earned from each drop. Avoid using the 10 or 100 multipliers unless you have a large number of tokens. Prioritize hitting the bumpers, especially the ones above the slot, for dice and token rewards. The bumpers above the slots are generally the most valuable. Consider switching up your drop locations, left or right slot, based on where the desired rewards, dice tokens or cash, are positioned in the bumpers. If you have tokens on the left and dice on the right, try dropping from the left slot. Save for the end. Hoarding your tokens until the last day allows you to see the final reward lineup and potentially adjust your strategy based on any changes to the rewards offered mid-event. And that is how you plan for Monopoly Go price drop strategy.